soul evolved. The human equation, soul. Not a machine, but a soul set free.